Zaki from Indonesia, Universitas Negeri Malang.
Hello,
If
sir.
he's here, then we can
Hello, sir. Yeah.
allocate. Yes, sir. If we
Okay.
can have your talk.
Okay. Thank you so much for the chance. Now, I would like to share my thought on this. Uh, we could exploring the essentials, mean, mode, median, and range for statistical analysis in educational research in elementary schools at triple areas. Okay. Thank you so much for the chance. Now, this is the background of the study. Statistical analysis is a crucial tool in research, allowing researchers to make sense of data, draw meaningful conclusions, and make informed decisions. By understanding the importance of these measures, educators could enhance their teaching practice, identify areas of improvement, and promote evidence-based decision making to benefit their students. Okay, before we enter the topics, we could discuss about ordinal numbers or nominal numbers. Ordinal numbers and nominal numbers are two distinct types of categorical data used in various fields, including statistics, linguistics, and social sciences. They serve different purposes and convey different level of information. So here's the definition. Ordinal number represents ranking of order of item where the categories have a meaningful sequence or hierarchy. The order of categories matters, but the numerical difference between the categories is not meaningful. For instance, first, second, fourth, or letter grade is A, B, C, D. So there is no meaningful relation between numbers and the matters. Okay, so what's the difference is the nominal numbers is the opposite. It refers on categories without any inherent order ranking between them. Their motive do not have any quantitative meaning. For instance, type level like apple, banana, orange, grape, yellow, and so on. So in other that, nominal data doesn't imply any natural ordering, different with ordinal number. So let's just discuss the first topic, mean. Analyzing mean in elementary school research, particularly in the context of second language teaching, is essential to gain valuable insight into students' language proficiency and academic performances. In elementary school, teaching research analyzing the mean help educators and researchers to understand the overall language proficiency of students, assess the effectiveness of language teaching strategies, and identify areas of improvement. Okay, so we could say that in other words, the mean also the average. For instance, sum of all data point divide number of data points. So we could add up the all scores and divide the sum by number of data points. Okay, so the mean score is 85.6. So okay, we have to know that conducting research in tribal area, analyzing mean could identify the pattern, trends, and disparities within the community. On the other hand, we have to consider the cultural context, historical factors, and unique challenges faced by these communities. So we cannot provide it with the data. Okay, the second one is the mood. So the analysis mode involving identifying most frequency occurring value of the category in given set of data. For instance, the first one is the organized data, and the second one is count the frequency is the value or category. Step 8, determine the mode and interpret the mode. But analyzing the mode in research on the tribal area, it should be based on local wisdom, should provide valuable insight into preferences, practices, and cultural norms of the community. So we have to get on this. The median. The median is a statistical measure used to describe the general tendency of set of data. In other words, it divides the data into two equal halves. So calculate it. The first one is organic data. Second one is identify the middle of the value. And the third one is measure the center of tendency. So the median in statistical research based on the local context in a tribal area involve understanding of the distribution value within a dataset considering the specific characteristics and circumstances in the community. Okay. And the last one is range. In research for elementary school, especially in tribal areas, the range is a statistical measure that provide information about spread of variability set of data. So how to calculate? The first one is the organic data. Second one identify maximum and minimum values. And the third calculate the range, subtract the minimum value from the maximum value. Mathematically, the formula calculated range is value as the maximum value minus minimum value. So in the context of second language research, especially in tribal areas, the range of language proficiency scores can give insight diversity of language abilities within the group of students. A larger range might indicate more varied level of language proficiency, while a small range might suggest more consistent level of language development among students. On the other side, we have to know that statistical research at tribal area, while focusing on traditional values of the community, can provide valuable insight into variability and diversity within the community. So we could say that we have to consult the result with community members, cultural experts, and elders is crucial to ensure that analysis with the community should go with their perspective and priorities. So in conclusion, exploring the essential of mean, mode, median, and range for statistical analysis in elementary school research is of paramount important for education researchers and administrators. Exploring this should tailoring educational practice. On the other side, we have to conduct that statistical analysis for other school in tribal area coordinated with careful consideration of unique characteristics, challenges, and cultural context of the community. It is crucial to involve local stakeholders, including teachers, parents, community leaders, and their representatives throughout the statistical process. Okay, I think that's all. This is the references. Thank you so much for the chance for me to speak. I'm glad to invite me here. Thank you.
Thank you, Feril sir. Next speaker we have Mokulwane Eric. Sir, if you are here, then please